Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another quick Flutter tutorial. In the tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a customized Gnav. So it is called the Google Nav Bar. This one, and we have to try to make this type of nav bar. Now I am on my main function, run app, my app, and returning a material app, my home, and a homepage class. I want to remove this banner, so debug show move check banner is equal to false. Let's go to homepage. This is my homepage. Import a package for homepage, a stateful widget, a scaffold, blank scaffold. Now on pub.dev, search Google Nav Bar, and this is our package. Copy this package, go to pubspec.yaml file on dependencies and paste it, pubget, and also pubget on terminal. Now in scaffold, passing a body and a text widget. Style and text style. Font size is equal to 25. Font weight dot bold. Colors dot black. Now wrap the text with center widget. Restart, and there we go. Now background color dot black. Now bottom navigation bar and Gnav. Import this package, and there is an error. Solve this error. We have to pass item list, background colors dot black, ripple colors dot gray, hover colors dot black. Now haptic property is equal to true. App border radius equal to 40. Curves dot case out expo. That's cool. Now duration for milliseconds 900. And our gap property equals to 8. Now it's turned to tab list. G button icons dot home. Text home. Copy it and paste it. Now restart the app. Even now there is nothing to show. There is a problem of color property, so pass a color dot gray 100. It's cool. We have to customize our Google Nav Bar. For this, we have a property of active colors.white. To increase the size of my icons, I have to pass icon size equal to 34 or 35 as a choice. So another property, tab background colors dot gray and shade is equal to 800. It's cool. Oops. It's create an rendered flow error by 1.7 pixel. To solve this error, we have to pass a padding widget and padding as inserts dot all 10.0 and restart the app. Now it's good. So putting a const over here and also here. Now our navbar as well as our code look like great. So I have to wrap my Gnav with a padding widget as inserts dot symmetric horizontal equals to 15.0, vertical 20.0. Now great. By wrap my Gnav with a padding widget, it takes like padding from left, right, top, bottom. You can see it like this. Then wrap a padding widget with a container widget and passing a colors dot black. And restarting my app, it's look good. I hope you will like this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and also like and share this video. Bye bye.